friends, let's go to my dream world. I'm Ari, and I'm here to say we go on adventures every day. Mosey and Josie and the crew, we're always looking for something new. Come along and have some fun, because the fun has just begun. Are you ready? Let's go! Woo! Ari's Dream World, 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 Ari's Dream World. Yeah! Hey guys, Ari here with Ari's Dream World News, where we bring you the latest and the greatest. In recent news, Ari made the honor roll. See? That's right, I'm so smart, and you are too. In other news, Mosey and Josie's cousins are coming to the Dream World next week. Their names are Foster and Skylar. I'm so excited and I can't wait for you to meet them. Now to Ari with the weather. Thank you, Ari. This is my dream door, and it can take me anywhere I want to go. Let's go see what the weather is like. Looks very sunny today. Great day for outdoor activities. Oh no! It looks like some gray clouds are heading this way. Scratch all the outdoor activities. We have to make sure we stay in and stay dry. Luckily, I brought this. Do you ever wonder why it rains? It's because of something called the water cycle. You've never heard of the water cycle before? Well, you're in luck, because I am going to teach you all about it. Follow me. There are 4 steps in the water cycle. Do you know what the first one is? That's right, evaporation. The sun heats up the water in the rivers, lakes, and even oceans and turns it into vapor. Vapor is just a fancy way to say steam. The vapor leaves the streams, rivers, lakes, and oceans and goes into the air and joins other water and makes clouds. So cool, right? Remember that steam I was telling you about that rises into the air? That steam cools down and turns back into water. This is called condensation. Condensation is the next step in the water cycle. But what happens if a cloud becomes way too heavy because of all the water inside? I'll tell you what. The water inside of the clouds falls all the way down into Earth. And that's how we get rain, and sleet, and snow, and even hail. H-A-I-L. Yeah. That is the third step in the water cycle, which is called precipitation. And when all that wet stuff falls from the clouds, it's collected into the rivers, lakes, and oceans. And most of that water falls into the ground, which helps grass, plants, and flowers to grow. That's called collection, and the last step of the water cycle. And guess what? When it rains or snows again, that means the water cycle has started all over. Cool, huh? Yes. The water cycle is so important to the environment, and that's the reason why we get rain, sleet, snow, and hail. H-A-I-L. Whew, that was a lot. Now to Josie for some great jokes.
Hey guys, it's Josie, and welcome to Josie's Jokes. I have some really good jokes to tell. Are you guys ready?
Yes!
Okay! What kind of shorts do clouds wear? Thunderwear! Okay, what did one lightning bolt say to the other lightning bolt? You're shocking! What do you call a wet bear? A drizzly bear! Okay, one more. Can bees fly in the rain? Not without their yellow jackets. Thank you guys so much for joining me today for another Josie's Jokes. Okay, now back to Ari. Bye, friends!
Thank you, Josie, for those amazing jokes. Sorry. I was saying, the one where you were talking about the wet bear had to be my favorite. Anyways, you guys remember when I taught you about the water cycle? Well, I think it's time for a little segment called Rain, Rain, Go, Hooray. Are you ready, friends?
Yes!
I can't hear you.
Yes!
I still can't hear you.
Yes!
Okay, that's the spirit. Evaporation. Condensation. Precipitation. And collection. Let's do it all again. Evaporation. Condensation. Precipitation. And collection. Let's do it all again. Evaporation. Condensation. Precipitation. And collection. Let's do it all again. Evaporation. Condensation. Precipitation. And collection. Let's do it all again. Great job, friends. You nailed this. Thank you, friends, for tuning into Ari's DreamWorld News and learning all about the water cycle. Sadly, I have to go, but please join me next week for more adventures. This is Ari, signing off. Bye!